Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with BNY Mellon, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the BNY Mellon website to explore their budgeting resources. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the budgeting tools section to find various options available. Familiarize yourself with the budgeting calculator offered by BNY Mellon. Input your monthly income into the calculator to establish your financial baseline. List your fixed expenses, such as rent, mortgage, or utilities, to understand your obligations. Add variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment, to get a complete picture of your spending. Review your past spending habits using any historical data BNY Mellon provides. Use this data to identify areas where you can cut costs or save more. Set clear financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or retirement, and input these into your budget. Create a monthly budget by allocating funds to each category, ensuring your income covers all expenses. Consider utilizing the app or online dashboard for ongoing budget tracking. Regularly update your budget as your income or expenses change. Schedule time each month to review your budget and make necessary adjustments. Reflect on your progress towards financial goals and celebrate small achievements. Stay informed about BNY Mellon's financial education resources to enhance your budgeting knowledge. Utilize alerts and reminders to help you stick to your budget consistently. Review your budget quarterly to ensure it aligns with your long-term financial strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.